Hi students, today I'll explain LCM and HCF concept. LCM ని తెలుగులో కనిష్ట సామాన్య గుణిజం అని అంటారు. LCM is also known as the least common multiple or lowest common multiple or smallest common multiple of two or more numbers is the least number which is divisible by each of these numbers. First, I'll explain basic concept. Here I mentioned multiples of both 6 and 10. So here multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. So if you see 6 table, 6 1 is 6. So 6 2 is 12. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, these are all multiples of 6. Like that. Here I mentioned multiple of 10. Here multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If you observe in these two tables, here the common multiples of both 6 and 10 are 30 and 60. Even in 10 table also, multiples of 10 or common multiples of 10 are 30 and 60. But the least common multiple of both 6 and 10 are 30, right? So 30 is the least common multiple of both 6 and 10. So the LCM of 6 and 10 are 30. But now I'll explain how to find LCM by using division method. Now I will explain how to find LCM of 6 and 10. Right. What we have to do? We have to divide the given numbers 6 and 10 by the least prime number. Here the least prime number is 2, which will divide 6 and 10. Right. In second round, we have to write the quotient we get after the division of 6 and 10 by 2. So here we have to mention quotient. 2 3 is a 6. 3 is the quotient. And 2 5 is a 10. 5 is the quotient. Again we can continue division until the remainder is a prime number or 1. Here actually we got 3 and 5. Both are prime numbers. We can stop or we can continue the process till we get remainder 1. So next prime number 3. 3 will be divisible by 3. So 3 1 is 3. 1 is the quotient. And we mention 5 as it is. And again 1 will write as it is. 5 1 is 5. So now we have to multiply all the divisors and remaining prime numbers if any. So here we didn't get any prime numbers, we got remainders 1 and 1. So LCM of 6 and 10 or 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 is a 6, 6 5 is a 30. So 30 is the LCM of 6 and 10. Next example. Find the LCM of 36, 84 and 90. So now what we have to do? We have to divide 36, 84 and 90 by the least prime number. 36, 84 and 90. Here the least prime number is 2, which will divide 36, 84 and 90. So we'll mention here quotient. 2 18 ja. 18 is the quotient. 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 2, 42 ja. Next, 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja 2, 45 ja. Right. Again, we can divide 18, 42 and 45 with the same number if divisible, or with another least prime number. We can divide 18 and 42 by 2 because 18 and 42 will be divisible by 2. So again 2 9 ja. 9 is the quotient. 2 21 ja. 45 will not be divisible by 2. So we'll mention as it is 45. Now what we have to do? Now write the quotient, the number which is not divisible by 2. We already mentioned 45 as it is because 45 will not be divisible by 2. So again 9, 21, 45. These numbers will not be divisible by 2. So next to prime number 3. 3 3 is a 9. 3 is the quotient. Next 3 7 is a 21. Next 3 15 is a 45. Again we have to continue the process till we get remainder 1. So again 3 and 15 will be divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3. We will mention as t 7 because 7 will not be divisible by 3. Next 3 5 ja 15. Again next we will mention 1. 7 1 ja 7 1 is a quotient. 5 will not be divisible. So as t will mention again 5. We'll write as it is 1 again 1. 5 1 ja 5. Now we have to multiply all the divisors. So LCM of 36, 84 and 90 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 5. 2 2 is a 4 into 3 3 is a 9 into 7 into 5. Again 4 9 is a 36 into 7 into 5. 36 into 7. 7 6 is 42. 2 4. 7 3 is 21 plus 4 25. So 252 into 5. Again 252 into 5. 5 2 is 10. 0 1 5 5 is 25 plus 1 26 into here 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 1260. So LCM equal to 1260. Students, now I'll explain HCF concept. HCF means highest common factor. Garishta Samanya Bhajikam. Garishta Samanya Bhajikam. The largest or greatest factor common to any two or more given natural numbers is termed as HCF of given numbers. It is also known as GCD, greatest common divisor. Now I'll explain how to find the HCF of 8 and 12 by using basic concept. right? So HCF of 8 and 12, right? Now I'll mention factors of 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. It means 8 is divided by 1, 8 is divided by 2, 8 is divided by 4, 8 is divided by 8. So 1, 2, 4, 8 are factors of 8. Here I write factors of 12. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. It means 12 is divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Here common factors are, here 1 is there, here also 1 is there, and 2, here also 2, and here is 4 is there, so here also 4 is there. So common factors are 1, 2 and 4. But what is HCF? HCF means highest common factor. So here highest common factor is 4. So HCF is 4. HCF is 4. Right. Now I'll explain how to find HCF by using division method. So HCF of 8 and 12. So what we have to do? We have to divide the largest number. Here largest number is 12 by the smallest number. Here smallest number is 8 until the remainder is 0. So the last divisor will be the HCF. Now see, largest number is 12. Largest number is 12 and smallest number is 8. We have to divide largest number by smallest number. So 8 1 ja 8. Right. And remainder 4. Now what we have to do? Again take the divisor as the new dividend. Here 8 is the divisor. It will act as a dividend. Right. And here remainder 4 will be divisor. 4 2 is 8. So we got remainder 0. So last divisor is here 4. So last divisor 4 will be the HCF of 8 and 12. 8 and 12. So HCF equal to 4. Now another example. Find the HCF of 144 and 336. What we have to do? We have to divide the largest number by the smallest number till we get the remainder 0. If the largest number is 336 and smallest number is 144. So 144 1 ja 144, 144 2 ja 288. So if we borrow 16 minus 8, 8 and 2, 12 minus 8, 4. So 48 is the remainder. Again, now 48 will be the divisor and 144 divisor will be the dividend. Now 48, 1 ja 48, 48 2 is 96, 48 3 is 144. So we got remainder 0. So New divisor will be the HCF. It means last divisor. Here last divisor is 48. So 48 is the HCF of 144 and 336. So HCF is 48.